In a busy facility, valuable equipment and structures are at risk of damage. Assets such as electrical equipment, columns, and door frames. Structures must be protected from vehicle forks at ground level. Key machinery and structures must be identified and protected. Use highly visible bollards and barriers for protection. Signposts and floor markings to create visual alerts for drivers. Funnel-designed entranceways direct vehicles away from critical infrastructure, like door frames. Soften sharp corners to remove vulnerable impact spots. All barriers deflect, so cannot function properly if in contact with or close to critical structures and equipment. Without an appropriate deflection zone, impacts can force the barrier into the machinery it protects,